What's up guys, welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can install Unreal Engine 4. So first things first is you'll have to open your favorite browser and then just search Unreal Engine 4. Now the first link is the correct one, you guys can just click that and it will take you to the Unreal Engine 4 website. Now you'll see I'm logged in already, but you guys will probably have to sign up first, and then once you've signed up you can log in, and on the right you'll see like this download button, and then if you click that it will take you to this next page where you can just simply click proceed to download, and then you'll see on the left here it will show me it's starting to download the launcher. Now since I already have the launcher installed, I'm just going to show you guys what to do next. So once you've installed it, it's pretty easy. Just click on the Epic Games launcher. The first time you launch it, it will have an update because it needs to download the rest of its files. Now it will also ask you to sign in. Since I already signed in before, it will automatically just take me into the launcher. Now your launcher would look something like this. If you're not on the Unreal Engine page at first, just click here and then click at library. Now what you will see is I already have the engine installed, but you guys won't probably, so just click on this plus icon over here and it will choose the latest version that you can download. Since I already have the latest one, it just takes the older version. So all you guys can do is just click install, and then you can choose where you want to install the engine. Now I'm not going to do it since I already have it installed, so I'm just going to click uninstall, and once you guys have done that, the download is about 7 to 8 gigs I think, so depending on your download speed it will take some time, but once it's finished all you guys can do is just click launch. Now the first time you launch it, it will do some stuff in the background since it's the first time you're launching it, but since I already launched mine before, it will open fairly quickly. And once it's open, you guys have like a window like this where you can either choose new project or projects. It will show you all your existing project that you have created before. Now and then on the new project it will you can basically choose where you want your project files to be, your name, and then the template you want to use. Now that is it guys. This is how you install the UE4 engine. Now thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.